Hey everyone, this is Javad, and my last name is Shairi Garetape. You know it's the most common last name in North Texas. I'm here to introduce you LED poster. That's the Azar Pixel first product. It's called Luna, right? That's one of the most magnificent product you can get here in the United States. Not just because it's the foldable poster, because it's manufactured by Azar Pixel and it's backed up by Azar Pixel. So if anything goes wrong, here at Azar Pixel, we're going to take care of them. One of the stuff you might hear at InfoComm 2026 is a lot of people are offering foldable poster, and you can see 1.8 millimeter pixel pitch. You can install 6 of them together without any extra equipment or anything like that. But at Azar Pixel, we offer you something new. So technically, this unit has 2 power button. That one of them actually turns on the whole poster. The other one actually kills the TB40 installed in there. So as soon as you kill the TB40, what you can do, you can put your processor there and run 8 of them, or as much as your processor can actually support. You can hit them together or install them together or connect them together and hit them to the processor, and bam, go ahead. You're gonna have 8 panels next to each other at 1.2 millimeter pixel pitch. So don't forget us. If you want to get more information, you can get to info@azarpixel.com or check us online at www.azarpixel.com. It's Luna, the first Azar Pixel product here in InfoComm 2026. Thank you so much.